Muy buenas tardes, compañeros y amigos de Let's Go Fishing Channel. Hoy Let's Go Fishing Channel we're going to do something different. Vamos a hacer algo diferente. Queremos mostrarles una de las tiendas para pescar. We're going to show some couple different bait shop stores. Right now, yo estoy aquí en Ross. We are here at Russel Bait and Tackle. So I'm going to show you. This is located by Niagara Street before the Foot Ferry. I know that a lot of people know about this store. They got the machine, a vending machine. You need any bait or something, you can come here when they close and you can grab it. Okay. We going in. Come on, my man. I'm doing a video for YouTube, okay? So if you want to be part of that for my channel.
Oh, for YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube, yeah.
YouTuber.
So we are inside the store right now. You can see they got everything here. They got different line. They got everything, different kind of bait, crankbait, lures for different species. That's my man right there. What's your name, bro?
Dennis.
Janet. This is. You come here, you see him. This is one of the client here too. How you doing, bro? What's your name?
People William.
William.
Yeah.
So you can see they got different fishing rod here, different price, good prices. I come here. They got all kind of fishing rod.
Just those for today.
Everything about fishing you can find it here. Todo acerca de la pesca pueden venir aquí. Tienen diferentes equipos. Tackle box. Diferentes líneas. Anzuelos, sinkers. Salmon fishing. You want salmon fishing? They got everything here for you guys. Whatever you need, they got everything here. You need a bucket, they got buckets here too. Good prices. And if you want a light bait, they got this area here. You come. You see the prices down here. Whatever you choose, they serve you. You got chop, minnows, chop. Everything here, whatever you need, guys. You need a net, they got net. Where you going, Foot Ferry?
Probably.
Yeah, I go there. I'm gonna be there soon. I gotta do some video. I gotta meet a couple guys of the team, and
cool.
We're gonna be there fishing.
Keep it up with the good work, man.
Yeah, all right.
All right. See if I can...
My friend, I appreciate what you do for me.
Anytime, man.
Yeah. That's it. What's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis, come here. He gonna assist you. Whatever you need. Good guy. Good store. So everything that you need, they got sinkers. They got everything. So just stop by, and they serve you with all the heart. They're good people. Okay. Whatever you need here, you need reels. They got everything. You need sunglasses? They got sunglasses too. All right, bro. See you later.